your diary section, Jennifer?
Jenny, Big Brother. That's what my mom calls me. And also my dad calls me in the US. Biggie, you know I wasn't born here, right?
Yes, I know.
Good. Now we can start from there. Now I want everyone in the house to play by my rules. And I need to let you know I don't and I won't take shit from anyone, okay?
Jennifer,
Yeah, listen, I wasn't done talking, okay? So yeah, first of all, I am a woman of gold, okay? So I deserve to be treated like a queen. Now, I want my bed to have a golden frame, yeah, and I want my room to be mine, okay? I don't want to share my room with anyone, okay? Now, there's this guy in the house, Shaggi, or whatever his name is. Listen, Biggie, I don't want that guy anywhere near me, okay? And if he comes near me, let him know I will tell my dad and I will have him sued, okay? Biggie, are you there? You're not saying shit, Biggie. Okay, fine, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna take a hot shower now, okay? And Biggie, I need a massage. Thank you.
What is all this?